Yeah, what's up, guys? It's your boy, the entertainer. And welcome to the sound check of this microbus. Right now, I'm just gonna sit here, enjoy myself, and wait for the music to start playing. And this is gonna be the sound check. I can't wait for the driver to come here and start playing music. Guys, right now, we're gonna do the sound check for this microbus. Let's hit it, bruh. Hey guys, and we on. Remember that I told you that this is the type of music we listen to here in Limpopo. So this is my favorite song. Remember, I used to play it and you said I'm confusing that. Now it's like so we heard what's happening in here. We enjoyed and everything was all good. So you need to help me. Tell me what you're running, because I saw subs, I saw amps. Tell me how is the setup?
We have six mid-range on top, and then two ice power on the doors.
Okay. So you're having 8 mid-range speakers.
8 mid-range.
Okay.
And then
I saw 2 amps there.
Yeah.
Monoblocks or amps?
Yeah, monoblocks.
Okay.
First one is 20,000, which is 4 sub.
Okay.
And then 10,000 watts, the 2 sub.
Okay.
And then 6 sub ice power with the Superwood box.
How many watts each sub?
6,500 times 6.
There's a tavern.
Yeah.
So for the mid ranges, what?
No crossover.
No crossover.
No. We're using the.
Oh, this thing. When I was in here, I asked myself what that is. So it's a step. What do you call it?
Equalizer.
Equalizer. Oh, okay. Proper. So
with 2 batteries.
I saw them. I saw these big things down here. They belong to a certain truck. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you
2 battery for sound and 1 battery for the car.
So 3 batteries in this vehicle.
Yeah.
Wow.
And what else? Yeah.
So what about those small speakers down there? These ones
they're not working.
The stock ones. Oh, at least something's not working. You don't have any tweeters and whatnot?
2 tweeters, which I forgot.
Right here.
Yeah.
All right.
What biscuit tweeters?
I don't. Maybe bullet.
Yeah.
Or smaller bullet. Okay, cool, bro. So yeah, guys, that's all we have for the sound check of this episode of this microbus. Be and crew of it. From me, the entertainer. I'm signing out. Bye bye.